Hey dudes and chicks, and neither if those rules don't apply to you. Welcome to Make Up for Last Time. My name is Katie. Today I'm gonna be doing something super special. We are having a going away party for Blush Tribe. So this video is a collaboration with people all over the world, really. I'll leave a link in the description box to a playlist of all the other videos. There's Nikki Raven, Angelica Neekvist, Paulina, Leora, Lisa Lobotomy, Jessica, Stars Hollywood Jessica, Vinyl Beauty. I mean, if I forgot to mention you, I'm so sorry. There was just so many people that actually said yes, and to tell you the truth, I didn't think anyone would say yes. So basically what we're all doing is we're throwing a farewell party for Blush Tribe, and we're all uploading the video at the exact same time, so which is different times all over the world, and we're just using our favorite Blush Tribe palette or whatever Blush Tribe palette. So basically, like, we're just getting together online to connect and do Blush Tribe makeup. And so I have decided to use my Paulina palette and my Hasina 2 palette, because I just honestly, like, I love this palette. It's like actually my color story right now, but what it doesn't have is it doesn't have pink. And so the look I created, I needed pink. And so that's the color story. This is the Paulina color story, and I'm just going to use both of these palettes and throw some shit together. I just want to say before I get started that, you know, during quarantine has been like super bummer for me. I like had this dream of like going to become a hairstylist and going to cosmetology school and starting a makeup YouTube channel and like doing all the things. And now that the coronavirus has happened, like I am not going to school anymore. Well, I go back to school tomorrow, but like everything just got put on hold, and I was really feeling like my dreams were dying and that everything was over. And then you guys saw it when I did the Hasina 2 video. You guys saw me come up with the idea of having a going away party for Blush Tribe. And so Blush Tribe is actually rebranding, and I'll leave a picture of the post right here or right here of the post that they put up on their Instagram page, that they are rebranding. But we decided we wanted to go ahead and do this video anyway, because we don't know what that means. Like, it could be anything. Basically, like, I was on here and I was talking to you guys about the Hasina 2 palette, and I thought we should have a going away party. And so I literally like started emailing these crazy YouTubers, like YouTubers that would never answer my emails, never even consider me, never consider doing a collaboration with me. And I just got this like this crazy courage where I just decided to send all these fucking emails and Instagram DMs out, and not everybody answered, but some people fucking did answer. And like a lot of people were interested, and some people didn't answer me, but they were still really interested in my idea. And so like it was this moment where I realized, like, you know, if your dreams feel like they're dying, it's because you're holding on too tight to something that maybe isn't meant to be in that moment. And so like I went after something else, and it felt crazy, and it felt like I alone was never going to pull that off. And so I alone did not pull it off, and like it came true. And so anyway, I'm super excited to have this party, and I know a party isn't a party without cake, but I planned on having cake, but a party isn't really a party without meth or alcohol or bag of weed or some random guy to give you head when all those things are gone. But we're gonna do our best anyway. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, or what did I do with these palettes, or then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm already primed with my Anastasia Beverly Hills primer. I'm going to start with my Wayne Goss 18, and I'm going to go into the color Mohan. And I'm just going to start packing that into the outer V. for about the last 4 days, I've been like, oh my God, okay, what colors am I going to use? What palette should I use? What palette's my favorite palette? What am I going to do? Should I wear cool tones? Should I wear the warmer tones? Should I do a green look? Should I do a purple look? It's been fucking ridiculous. And so I finally just was like, you know what, bitch, you need to just sit down and fucking do something. And I just decided to pick my favorite colors. Well, that would play well together. My favorite colors that would play well together. So I'm using my Morphe JH33 and I'm going to go into the color Angel from the Paulina palette. And I'm just going to start building that into the inner corner and blending that out. That looks really pretty. It just felt like such a big deal. It felt like such a big deal. I'm like, okay, now I need to not tell as many junkie jokes. Or maybe I should tell more junkie jokes. Or like, what should I do? Should I be quiet? Should I go as fast as I can? Should I say something? Should I not say something? Oh, it's just so stupid. The fucking trash that we tell ourselves in our minds, right? So I just said, you know what? Just pick the colors that you like and just fucking do whatever you want to do. And who really gives a fuck? But I will say, this looks fucking gorge. But I will say that I think it's really cool that everybody, I'm going back in with my Wayne Goss 18 into the color Mohan again, just to kind of deepen up that V. I do think it's just so cool that so many people from so many different walks of life and so many different countries and places just have so much respect for Blush Tribe as a brand. So Paulina recently released a video talking about spending money or not to spend money, and I really liked what she had to say about people saying like, well, I want to buy this to support smaller brands, and she's like, no, bitch, you want to buy that because you fucking want it. It's not like you're just buying palettes that you don't really like. And so it was honestly just kind of right after I did my favorite YouTubers, and I kind of like remarked about like what it was about Paulina that I love so much, and boom, she just fucking brought it like hard. It was literally like probably a couple days, and I was like, there's my girl. So anyway, but I do think it's awesome that people like have so much respect, right, for Blush Tribe, and like feel sorrow that they're going away. That might be the best pink purple I've ever done. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe JH40, and I'm going into the color Mohan again, this purple. And so, yeah, I guess like after we kind of got this whole thing together, Paulina posted on our thread, because we were all in a thread together, she posted like, hey, have you guys seen this? And it was actually an Instagram post from Blush Tribe saying like, hey, we're not leaving for good, I'm rebranding. And so we were all like, well, should we still do the thing? And honestly, like, who knows? You know, you never know what a brand is gonna rebrand as. Like, honestly, like when I first got into makeup, I related so strongly with Makeup Monsters. Like, I swear there might have been a moment where I was like, oh my God, there are brands like Makeup Monsters out there. Like, maybe I need to investigate this shit further. And so like, and then Makeup Monsters, shortly after I discovered them, rebranded to Menagerie. Now, I love Menagerie, but like I don't relate to that personality quite as well, right? And so you just never know what a company is going to rebrand to. And so I don't know, it might be something that I relate to even more, but like we might be saying goodbye to something that like we have a personal connection to. You just never know. And also the thing to take into consideration is when you know, I've kind of, when you relate to an indie brand on a personal level and then they change, like you don't, like when you like find an indie brand that you really relate to, and then they rebrand. You don't know. You might never have a brand that you feel quite as strongly connected to as that one. You know what I mean? So you just never know. I just watched a Stacey Marie Instagram live today, and I swear to God, every time I watch her, it like changes my life. Every time I watch her, I learn so much from like one Instagram live watching her. And I just think like, God, wouldn't it have been so amazing if I would have made it to that stinking class? I'm going to use my AOA E128, and I'm going to go into the color Humble. I'm going to use a different brush. I'm going to go in with my Moda Pro BMX 420. And then with my rougher 03, I'm going to go into the color Friends. Let me use this AOA E132, and I'm going to go into that color, that lightest green color, Friends, and I just want to kind of bring that out. Not too bad, but just a little tiny bit. Oh, I love this color, Angel. It's amazing. The green that I used in the top of my lid is called Solely, and I feel like I don't remember saying Solely, so I just want to make sure that you guys know that this is the other shimmer that I used besides that purple grain. This purple right here and Solely I used on the lid. So anyway. The final finishing touchy poo. My alter ego number 6. I'm gonna go into Thing-a-Ling just because I wanted to say it. I'm gonna give it a little spray. Oh, and I just used Thing-a-Ling to do my brow bone. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna go finish up the look and I'll be back when I'm done, as per usual, or I'll just skate out, or I'll be back when I'm done unless I relapse. If I relapse in between now and the time I come back, then you'll probably never fucking see me again. So this is the finished look. I fucking love it. I feel like I was myself and I chose exactly what I would wear, and I love this look so much. It's actually super special to me. I used my LA Girl Neon Shockwave eyeliner in the color Fresh in my waterline, and I used my Black Moon Cosmetics eye wigs in the I wish I would have saved that box style, and my Sugar Pill liquid lipstick in the color Vertigo. And I think it turned out fantastic. I'm in love with my face right now. So anyways, this was super special. This whole thing was super special to me, and I honestly was like really scared I was gonna fuck it up, and I was really surprised that anybody even said yes. And honestly, everybody didn't say yes, but a few people did say yes, and one in particular person. And I just want to say, Nikki Raven, thank you so much for helping me collaborate this and helping me like pull this off. It was really important to me. So you really worked the magic, and I'm just so grateful to you, and I'm so grateful to everybody who participated. Thank you so much. And like I say, like, thank you for making me feel a part of and making me feel like I'm connected to this community and this platform. I'm just super grateful. And so, okay, so all that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you like this look or if you like this party, hit the notification bell so you can see every time I upload. Hang out with me in the comments and let me know what you think. Let me know how you feel about Blush Tribe closing down. Are you sad? Are you excited for the new brand? You guys could have been anywhere, but you were spending your time here with me, and I appreciate you so much. Later.